Hey guys, what's going on here? It's Isaac Novo, and just got some extra FIFA points, so do the pack opening, and we'll start it off. First pack. See what we get here. Who was that? A latte, not a bad pack. I'll take that. Luck's not been very good in packs this year, so let's throw the rest in the club. On to the next one. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, on Ray. One of the legends. I'll usually go on my team. Quick sell that. Next pack. Who's that? Ooh, that's a good pull. Two good players right there. Alright. Saw those later. On to the next one. Two squad fitnesses. Okay. Store those. And as you can see, I'm kind of sick right now, so that's why I haven't been making videos. But there'll be a lot more to come in the future. Let's see what we got here. No good players, but a Byron kit. Okay. Got 1,000 FIFA points left. Let's spend those. And I am buying those value packs that give you one extra item. Not a big promo, but oh well. Got two good players there, Fred and Gomez. Not bad. On to the next one. Who we get here? Kind of a bad pack. Well, next one. We got an 80. Who's that? Pizarro. Not bad. Not very good. Oh well. Quick sell. Let's see what we get here. Give me a team of the week. Oh. Well, this sucks. 400 FIFA points left. Let's see what we get here. Two 80s. That's a cool badge though. Let's store those. We'll buy a 500 real quickly. We'll give us one last premium gold back. It's an alright pack. Quick sell that. And the final gold pack, guys. I'm gonna close my eyes for this one. Hope we get something good. Let's see what we got here. Oh, free gold pack. We'll open that one too for you guys. Let's see here. Open. And crap. Oh well. Well, that's the end of the video, guys. I'll be making more videos soon, so I'll see you guys soon. See you later.